I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. On your Oppo 5G, join the Zain Wi-Fi and open the browser. Type the common router IP like 192, 168, 1 into the address bar and hit enter. When prompted, log in with the admin username and password. Use the sticker defaults if you never changed them. If you changed credentials earlier, enter your custom ones. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings section so you can view and edit the SSID and password fields. Now you'll make the key change. In wireless or WLAN settings, find the security subsection. Select a modern encryption standard such as WPA2 PSK or WPA3. This protects traffic better than older options. In the password or passphrase field, type your new Wi-Fi password. Aim for at least 12 characters mixing letters, numbers, and symbols so it resists guessing. If you want to rename the network, change the SSID here too. Once set, apply or save the changes so the router commits the new credentials. Finish the process by saving the configuration and confirming any prompts. Many routers reboot automatically to apply changes. After the router restarts, on your Oppo 5G go to Wi-Fi, find the SSID, and connect using the new password you created. Make sure to update other devices with the new credentials too. If you can't connect, forget the network on your phone, restart the Oppo, and power cycle the router. That clears cached settings and resolves most mismatches. If still failing, double-check encryption mode and password spelling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.